Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw this on IBIS Paintex. First I am going to demonstrate the features used. We shall use dip pen and digital pen for outline and the round and flat brushes for drawing fur. When you add a new layer, you can make changes to it, like drawing and erasing without affecting the previous layer. Draw some random strokes on a new layer. Go to Special and liquify it. Then you can try and clip it. The layer gets cropped onto the bottom layer. The bucket tool is used to fill in spaces. Reduce the expansion to 0 so it does not seep out. Transform tool can be used to move the layer. Perspective form can be used to resize. You can also duplicate a layer. Symmetry ruler is to draw symmetrical drawings, like faces. The lasso tool is used to make selections. You can use the add and subtract options to modify the selection. As you see, the color remains within the selection. Now go to Filter and try Hue Saturation Lightness. Hue changes the color of the layer. We have straight, circular and elliptical rulers. We can use the blur tool or go to Filter and use the Gaussian or moving blur. Now let's start with a rough sketch. Add a new layer and make the sketch accurate using the ruler, transform and drag tools. Symmetry ruler here. Use bucket tool. Add new layers. Use brushes and blur tool. You can adjust them with liquify tool. Clip the layer and erase the extras. Use the rounded flat brushes. As you see, many layers have been used. Change hue and lightness. Select this area and change the saturation and lightness. Add layer as background and use moving blur at 90 degrees. Change background hue. Thank you for watching.